Habitats on Gold 104.3.
The hummingbird, content in its nest. So easily, though, it can be sent into a flap and a rapid beating of its wings, as much as 12 to 90 times per second, if something really sends it into a flap. It requires a great deal of nectar and sweetness that it gets from sugar. The hummingbird likes to feed on sweet things. Constant supply. It's a real drag trying to keep up with its need for such things. The hummingbird is one of the few birds able to fly backwards, or in fact in circles. Very useful if it's caught interrupting the girls in agency sales and the boss comes in, at which case it can fly at speeds up to 54 kilometres an hour. Here we see the hummingbird leaving its nest, the female of the species inexorably drawn towards the scent of the male. The hummingbird must visit hundreds of flowers daily, like bees collecting nectar from flowers by sniffing their perfume. They prefer those whose sugar content is stronger, or who will pay him any attention at all. And he likes the ones that put out. The hummingbirds don't spend all day flying. The energy cost would be too prohibitive for them. They spend an average of 10% of their time feeding and visiting flowers, and 90% sitting and digesting and watching the football.